Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to upload your Excel file in Google Drive and edit it via Google Sheets. Alright, so gone ahead and opened our drive and make sure you're signed into your account. Just click on New, File Upload, and just look for your Excel file like so and upload it. Alright, so as you can see, it's already uploaded. If you cannot find it here, it's either in your drive, and if it's not here, it will surely be on recent, like so. All right, so what you want to do is go ahead and right click and open with Google Sheets, and it will automatically open it to your Google Sheets. And then you can edit it here. All right, as you can see, it's already saved to drive. And once you go back here, just refresh it. And you can always do the same, open with Google Sheets, and you will be able to edit this on Google Sheets. All right, as you can see here, once you go back to home, you can see that it is already here and you can edit it anytime you want.